another fantastic weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia. Plans for the weekend here in Trieste.
Beach, on club or something like that.
Biking, because I have a motorbike. So yes, and also going to the sea because it's so close.
I will go to Barco. I will go to the beach. Yes, I don't know if it's Barcola or to Sistiana or some other places, but yeah.
Tonight I will celebrate the graduation of my brother, and tomorrow I have a concert.
So we were like shopping, swimming, yeah.
I'm gonna study because I have maturita, yeah. And I have a friend's birthday, and that's it.
I don't know, I didn't expect it her to come back, but I have my maturita on Friday, so I think I'm gonna have to study, but still I will spend time with my friend.
I'm just back from Brazil. I've made my exchange year, and I don't know, I've just met her, and I think we're gonna, I don't know, drink something. And
But just, yeah, explore the city in general.
Netherlands.
Netherlands. You also.
Yes.